Hey y'all, it's Kat from Cats and Charms. We are back to do our Tree of Life. Remember, y'all voted and said spring and fall. So, we're going to use these beautiful colors here for our spring. And then we're going to use these beautiful colors, run away, for our fall. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split the tree. We're just going to go up the middle here. So we'll have spring on this side, fall on this side. I'm going to use my beautiful chestnut brown. That's going to be our trunk. And I haven't decided yet. I think I might do this. Well, I'm using a gold. Maybe I'll do this border in a silver chrome. I don't know. I have to think about the border. But we're going to get started because I'm going to do all the prep work. I'm going to color these leaves in these spring colors and these fall colors, and it's going to be ready to go for me to pour my brown and let it go up between into the branches of where I didn't color my leaves. And our root system is here too. So I have to decide on this color because I'm going to brush it in before we pour our brown. All right, y'all, that's where we are. Tree of Life coming up. Spring and fall, just like you asked. I will see you soon. Hey y'all, it's Captain Castle and Charms. Back to make a determination. Now, we made our Tree of Life, which you saw turned out so cute with our little squirrel buddy hanging out in the tree. But now the question is this. Should I put this on a smaller canvas? It will fit there, like so. Or should we put it on a bigger canvas? So there's the bigger. Let's get our little smaller guy in. Let's do this. Let's put this smaller one on our black background. Now, should we put it on the smaller canvas or should we put it on the bigger one? You tell me in comments below. Which do you think? Smaller one or the bigger one? Anyway, y'all decide. Tell our little squirrel buddy, where should he live? In the bigger home or the smaller one? And I'm going to do this canvas background, either one I choose, the bigger or the smaller. I'm going to do a green for the grass by our root system, and it's going to transition into a sky. Now, should the sky be blue skies with some clouds, which I can make the clouds with cotton balls or tear a part of the cotton ball and make a cloud? Or should we transition it into sunset colors that will shine through our tree? So should we have a blue sky with some clouds, or should we have a sunset background? Tell me in comments below, what do you think? What is your vote? Sunset, blue with clouds, blue without clouds. Anyway, again, y'all voted on this one with fall and spring, so now you get to choose the skyline. That's all we have for this one, y'all. Help me out. Tell me, large canvas, small canvas, sunset, or blue skies? Leave me a comment. Until next time, y'all, that's all we have. Happy arting. Ta-ta for now.